Hey guys, thanks for coming, watching the channel, N.P. Detailing. Today I've got a different show on for you today. It's me detailing a very unusual vehicle. Don't forget to hit subscribe, give us a thumbs up, comments, hit subscribe, and make sure you check out the rest of the videos on the channel. Today I'm at Unit 4 RC, where we're going to be looking at the world of RC racing and drifting. So I'm going to introduce you a couple of guys, and here they are. So we're here at Unit 4 RC in Leicestershire. They're going to be racing around the track. Nice cars which drift around the track. So we're here with the lads today, starting with yourself. Who are you?
My name's Sean, people know me as Sharky. I'm kind of like the Facebook and social media man of the club.
Yourselves?
I'm Ash. And I'm Tim.
Right. I can see you got the logo, Unit 4 RC. You've got your own clothing. What you got?
Hang on.
Yeah, somebody's put some lights over Christmas.
Yeah. So, Sean, starting with you, just a quick few words. How did you get into what we're about to see?
I kind of started, I bought a small kit, about £30 worth of car. Started messing around in a car park. And I found these guys on Facebook, thought come and have a look. And then they got me into it.
Okay. So, how long have you been doing this for?
Set the club up about 2.5 years ago now, me and my father-in-law. We do it once a month on a Saturday, so...
And is it expensive?
It can be.
It's one of them, how long's a piece of string?
Yeah.
Yeah. So if my lad here decides to get into it, I'm going to have to go deep into my pockets.
No.
Is that what you're saying?
No, you can do it on a budget.
Right, okay. So where did this all start from? Is it a UK thing, or where's it come from, Sean?
From my knowledge, it's worldwide. It's in every country practically now. Massive in Japan, I think. It started over here. There's a world championship now and that. These guys know a bit more about that sort of thing than I do.
So there's an actual world championship?
Yeah.
It's not on this year, though, is it?
No, it's not.
No. Usually there is a world championship over in Holland.
Wow.
It is massive.
And
Never been able to go myself. I'd love to.
Is it big money prizes, or is it just...
I don't think so.
No?
No.
It's more of a hobby sort of type thing, is it?
Yeah.
Right, okay. So, yeah, if you can give us a tour around the track, and so we can see what this, what this drifting RC looks like. So that would be great to see. Right, so we're inside the so-called shop where these guys get their parts from, and there's obviously loads of stuff here on offer for these guys to buy. So yeah, so you're the owner of the shop.
Yeah, that's me. Asbo RC.
Asbo, so what did you say?
Asbo RC.
Asbo RC.
Yeah.
That's the name of your company.
Yes.
Okay, brilliant. Just talk us through what you got here, because you've got a load of stuff here.
Basically, we're one of the only drift specialists within the UK. A lot of model shops, they sell drift stuff, but not to this extent. This is just probably a quarter of it. We do stuff on eBay and stuff like that. So, and it's one of them where you can enter into it for as little as 500 quid, and then you can go up to thousands if you want to.
Wow.
This is one of our most popular ranges, SRC. As you can see, do all that's a sunroof, interior mirrors, mini GoPros,
Sorry,
door handles.
Go back a bit. Mini GoPros.
Yeah. That's them
So you
there.
actually got mini cameras that you can fit on the cars.
Scale size, yeah.
Wow, that's mad.
So yeah, they're pretty cool. You've got bucket seats. These are just light buckets, toe straps, all that sort of stuff. Harnesses for the bucket seats,
Oh, yeah.
window nets.
Wow.
Like I say, it's one of our most popular ranges. To be fair, that's quite a cool little item. Radiator. with,
Radiator.
the fan, oil coolers. Literally anything you can think of in real size,
You've
can
got in scale.
use in scale. Yeah.
I mean, look at that. Some awesome looking alloy wheels. Obviously plastic, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Most tracks won't allow you to use alloy because for obvious reasons. If you're
Right.
going near the dress-up parts and other people's cars and stuff like that. So
Wow. It's a completely different world, isn't it?
yeah, it's crazy because it's not really known about a lot, but yet anybody that sees it
Yeah.
says that it's cool. So
Well, I detail cars for a living, and I've never heard of anything like this. I knew there were radio controlled cars,
yeah.
but not drifting. You
Yeah,
know what I mean?
yeah.
So I didn't know there's such a massive market for it.
There's a big
So-
following, to be honest.
Yeah.
I mean, I started from day dot 6 years ago with something that cost me 100 quid from a local model shop, and there was nothing you could buy in the UK. Hence why I started stocking a lot of stuff from. I mean, this stuff comes from South Africa. We've got stuff from Japan, China, America, all over the world really. Some of the stuff is sourced in the UK, but not a lot of it.
It looks all Japanese.
Yeah,
So-
a lot of this high-end stuff is from Japan.
What? Sorry, what are those? Tuned machines.
Acuvants. This is your ESC, so this is your brain unit, a bit like an
Right.
ECU on a car.
Yeah.
This is your motor,
Wow.
so they're almost like, obviously, the engine of a car. That's obviously the real high end of the market, but this is the sort of lower budget, which is £48, which isn't bad. I mean, I don't really sell stuff that's uber cheap, because with that comes disappointment.
Yeah.
If you buy something that's cheap, 9 times out of 10 you're either going to back the bike twice because it breaks, or it's not really going to work to the way you want it to work. So I would
suppose
always suggest
yeah.
to people that if you can't afford to go and buy everything brand new, get a decent second-hand setup. Don't go and buy something that's cheap that you'll go to a track with and feel like you've been done basically because it hasn't worked or whatnot.
So if you just take us over here, what's going on here then? Is it like a garage or?
Well, kind of, yeah, I
repairs?
suppose. Yeah, it's where people come to set the cars up, and obviously each track is different in its own little way. So,
Wow. So you could, if you want to start a hobby like this, you're looking at what's the lowest price?
if you went second hand, which I wouldn't exactly advise you to do that, and that isn't because I sell the stuff, it's just because if you're new to the game and you buy a second hand setup, you're chasing somebody else's problems. And when you don't know what the problems are to begin with, it can be frustrating and quite difficult. So if you buy something new, obviously then you can set everything up, you build it all yourself, so you've got a bit of an idea of how they go together and how they work. But if a second-hand setup, if you drop on lucky, you could probably get one for about $350. Whereas brand new, you're looking at around $500 to $550.
And 550 will get you a decent car and a build.
Basically, I've got a car that is a budget version. I built some before which was thousands, but this time I said, right, I'm going to build something that people can see and that I sell. So basically,
Brilliant. Well, thanks for your time.
no worries.
It's a massive insight into this different world. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I didn't know it existed. I'm sure there's a lot of people out there who watch YouTube videos and who like their RC models and stuff.
I mean,
they
we
probably don't
try
even know.
and basically every time somebody does a video or a video gets released, I try and share it to other RC pages and car-related pages, because I think that's sort of our captive audience. They're the sort of people that are going to be interested. So,
Definitely.
and for me, it's all about growing the hobby
Yeah,
and making it so that each track is self-sufficient.
brilliant. Well, thanks for your time
No problem.
and best of luck for the future.
Cheers, mate.
Thanks guys for watching the video. Don't forget to hit subscribe, give us a thumbs up and a like, and comment down below if you want to see more different videos. I know this one was a bit different to my usual video, but I want to thank Unit 4 RC for having me down here with the guys, checking out their cars, going around the track, drifting. Some awesome models down there.